ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. Today we are going to discuss about the relationship between volume and pressure of a gas. Here you can see a fish tank. In the fish tank, when the air bubbles moves from downwards to upwards, the size of the bubbles got increased. We know that the pressure of the gas in the bottom level of the water is higher than in top level. Here the volume of the gas bubbles is low when the pressure is high and it got increased when the pressure is low. Here temperature is constant. So when temperature is constant, volume decreases when pressure increases and volume increases when pressure decreases. Let's explain more situations on the basis of this. Here you can see gas is filled in a big vessel. When it is transferred to a small vessel, what happened? In the first vessel, volume is higher and in second vessel, volume is low. So, when the gas is transferred to a small vessel, the collision between the gas molecules increases and so the pressure also increases. Can you saw here a syringe? When the piston of the syringe is pulled backwards and then close the nozzle, then push the piston into the syringe, what happened? Pressure inside the gas increases and so volume inside the gas decreases. So, what is the relationship between the volume and the pressure of a gas? Yes, they are in inverse proportion. It was a British physicist, Robert Boyle, who introduced the relationship between the pressure and volume of a gas, and it is known as Boyle's law. So, what is Boyle's law? At constant temperature, the volume of a definite mass of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure. So, when P is the pressure and V is the volume, V proportional to 1 by P, or V equal to a constant into 1 by P, or PV equal to a constant. When P1 is the initial pressure and V1 is the initial volume and P2 is the final pressure and V2 is the final volume, then we can write as P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. When we know any of the three quantities among this, fourth quantity can be calculated from this equation. Then let's draw the graph of Boyle's law. Here the volume is taken in x-axis and the pressure in y-axis. This kind of a graph is obtained since volume and pressure is in inverse proportion. Here you can see PV versus P and PV versus V graph. A straight line is obtained since PV is a constant, and PV versus 1 by V gives a graph with a positive slope. Okay. In our day-to-day life, there are so many situations in which Boyle's law is applicable. Nurses use syringes to inject medicine into the body of a patient. The working of a syringe can be explained on the basis of Boyle's law. When the piston of the syringe is pushed forward, the pressure inside the syringe increases and the medicine is injected into the body. Okay. Then next situation. Here there is a hydrogen balloon. When this balloon is released to the atmosphere, what happened? When it's moved upwards, along with this, the size of the balloon got increases. This is because when height increases, the pressure got decreases, and according to Boyle's law, the volume of the gas inside the balloon got increases, and so the size of the balloon also increases. Okay. So, in today we discussed about Boyle's law. Thank you.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.